Good morning. Welcome back to another rainy, gloomy day in Oregon. It's a new video, and so I had 2 days with Jaylena to help me on cabinetry. We filmed yesterday, and we pretty much got the shower stall kind of done. And then today, we are going to try and get as far as we can on just getting the bottom side of the cabinets done. We'll see how far we get. I realized that we forgot a few wires, so I'm going to try and fish some wires through behind that stall, and we're just going to try and get the bottoms done as much as we can and framed out in there. And we probably won't get uppers done this week. Well, maybe later, but yeah. So let's get inside and check things out. All right, so the stall is pretty much done. We just need to, I need to make a brace across there, and I need to make some bracing across the bottom. We might hop on that right now. Actually, we at least have to do the top. And then I'm deciding whether I want, so I actually pre-wired for a fan and a light right here, but the PVC is so different than actual shiplap. I don't know if I want to cut a hole here with no brace behind all this to keep it from flapping, you know what I'm saying? And then I was looking in the videos and the photos, and the fan, the main fan in the bus is literally right next to the shower. And then it's like there's a light right here too, so it's like, I understand the door is gonna take some of that light, but how much? Do I really need to make more work for myself? I don't know. I definitely think the fan is not necessary. I might still put a light in there. I'm gonna decide on that. But I think today we're gonna finish this brace here. We're going to build our little closet situation there, and then we're gonna go forward and we're gonna frame out the main sections of the cabinet, of the kitchen cabinet. And then I could start prepping the countertop, and that does a lot by coming this way. And then technically all the bottoms will pretty much be done, and then we just have to do overhead cabinets and hook up some systems. Oh yeah, and I was saving this little project for last, but that's a mission I can do myself. So it's kind of the mission plan, bruh. All right, we got a list going, so we're gonna start hopping on missions. Table. So, I think Jaylena's idea. We're gonna see. We're trying to get. We forgot.
Tape it better than that.
Oh, tape better than that.
It's gonna come right apart.
We forgot a couple wires. Oh my goodness.
Bro, more than that. Take that off. Just wrap it around.
Nah, dude. We forgot a couple wires, and then we ran out of wire. But I just want to get the wire going through this wall, through the wall. You know what I'm saying? Ah, that's working, dude. No?
Yeah. Keep going. Push a little more. There you go.
You got it?
Oh, yep.
All right, that's good. We're just gonna try and keep the cuts. I don't mind the curve. Yeah, but it's a little too tall.
Yeah, so we can shave off the bottom a little bit.
Yeah. Alright. This is what you're not supposed to do. Take the guard off and do some sketchy cuts. Don't do this. Okay? Okay.
Still a little.
Dang.
Little.
Gotta run it again. Ain't working.
Closer.
Yeah. Probably one more time. It'll be like that-ish.
You did it.
We did it. Check it out. Boom. Shelf, couple baskets, divider. All right. Jalena's got a wrap. I got another tuna fish sandwich. Let's get it. Go like this. some wicker baskets that'll go in there, and then we'll have some hanging storage. It'll be about right there.
It's bigger than I remember thinking it was.
I should look at the book on how to install it. We're just kind of mocking out the kitchen right now, and I think I like the fridge at the end like that, and then I think that's a pretty good thing for drawers right there. Yeah, I think I dig it. Bring it out. Wow, seeing what that did makes a difference, don't it? Seeing it with like the sink and shit. Oh, we got no light. Check it out. Kind of mocked out. We're running out of time for the day, but you can see, kind of put the sink in here so you can kind of see what's going on. Getting kind of hyped about it. Like, seeing that makes a big difference. Look at that.
There's water on there.
Why?
Because I don't like water on there.
You don't?
Why is there water on here?
Because I have my glass there. Dang.
You got Peppa Pig.
I did? Is this the same noodles from the other day? It went that far?
I bought some more, but yeah.
Oh.
I didn't use my new box. These are the same from the other day.
Hello, this is Editing Isaac, and I'm realizing that I didn't film an outro for this video that you're watching right now. So, this is a different day where I did other projects, but if you're a long-time subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you have just happened to click on this video, consider subscribing, because I think I have a... I'm gonna take this one out. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in another one. Bye.